Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Kojal, and welcome back to our series on New World Screwworm. In this third part of our series, we're going to talk about technology and tactics for defeating New World Screwworm in the U.S. Controlling the New World Screwworm is going to take cutting-edge science and coordination. At the heart of this science is going to be the sterile insect technique. The sterile insect technique was the great equalizer between us and defeating the New World Screwworm in the 60s and 70s. We'll employ that same technology, but hopefully ramp it up as we enter into this next battle with the New World Screwworm. The USDA is investing in the sterile insect techniques in the US with a domestic sterile fly production facility in South Texas. This facility will produce 300 sterile flies per week, which will help us in the battle against New World Screwworm if it comes into the United States. This will be a pillar of success that we use for fighting the battle against New World Screwworm. There is also promising technology coming along with that, where we are looking at genetically engineering males so that there is more males in the sterile fly production, because thinking that within our larva population, only 50% of those are males. So thinking about how we can genetically engineer more males and adding fluorescent tags to our sterile males so that we know that they are in fact the sterile flies that we have released into the population. There's also new radiation techniques that are promising that will help reduce the radiation that workers are exposed to. Trap technology is also advancing. Researchers are looking at new attractants for traps. They're also looking at shapes, colors, and sizes of traps that will increase the chances of catching the New World Screwworm if it comes into the US. Beyond the sterile insect technique, the FDA is also exploring emergency use drugs that can be used in the face of infestation with the New World Screwworm. Some of these are looking at drugs that we already have in the US, and some is looking at drugs that are used in other parts of the world. Recently, the FDA announced that doramectin was given conditional approval for the use against New World Screwworm. This will be very helpful in our fight against New World Screwworm. Feed-through ivermectins have shown little efficacy against New World Screwworm. Parasitoids are being explored, as well as other technologies such as vaccines, which hold promising but still elusive opportunities for cattle producers and owners of wildlife in the United States. The ultimate goal is to use surveillance, animal husbandry, sterile insect technique, and chemical control to help fight the battle against New World Screwworm.